All right, guys and gals. There's an important topic. Some sort of sad, unfortunate news I do want to bring into light because this is important to mention. The family of Bruce Willis have announced on Instagram that the actor will now retire from acting because he has a new diagnosis called aphasia. Now, what this is, aphasia is a language disorder caused by damage in a specific area of the brain that controls language expression and comprehension. Aphasia leaves a person unable to communicate effectively with others. Many people have aphasia as a result of a stroke. It also impacts how they understand written words and their ability to read and to write. Now, there are still some of Bruce Willis films, I think currently in production or post production, and not yet distributed, whether in theaters or through streaming in the near future. But from here on out going forward, he will retire from acting, and this is kind of sad and unfortunate, for someone who has been very active, especially in recent years. I remember the last film I saw him star in, I remember it was with James McAvoy and Samuel L. Jackson in Glass, also with Sarah Paulson as well. That was a 2019 film, also directed by M. Night Shyamalan. So and I thought that movie in general was kind of interesting, but after that movie, I don't remember what else he has starred in. But yeah, everyone knows him for starring in some significant films, whether it's in The Sixth Sense or Die Hard or Red. Let's see, The Expendables. Like he has a long list of film acting credits as well. And I'm not sure how or why, but at least in my opinion, just this is just my thoughts. I could be wrong, but I'm assuming it has to do with for him in a lot of moments being in so many action heavy seats that it takes a toll on him physically and mentally after so many decades, like since maybe 70s or 80s, if I'm right. So I can sort of understand that. He's great in action films, but it takes a, but after so much physical toll, so much stress, being exhausted and tired from acting and working on those films, and it's understandable that someone kind of gets exhausted from those kind of films. So maybe that's a result of it. I don't know if he's had some kind of accident before or if he's had a stroke previously, but a stroke may be a result of this sort of disease. But I get it if like so much physicality from action films is a result of it. Although for stars like him, it's always required to have like a stunt double with choreographed action scenes, punching and the kicking and all that stuff. But yeah, I just hope that like going forward, he is well, retires at ease, and gets the medical care. I'm sure him and his family can afford it. Not to say that I can't, but just hoping and wishing for the best medical care. But it is unfortunate something like this happened. It's kind of sad too, but at least people like Haley Joel Osment and even Sylvester Stallone posted public tributes to him online. Just thinking of him, thanking him for his great acting career. But I mean, I think from now on, he will be well. But yeah, after any new films, whatever recent films get distributed and released, it seems like he's going to be done from there.